Hello everyone, I am Dr.Uma Maheshwari. I am a consultant fertility specialist at Cloud9 Fertility, Jayanagar. I have 19 years of experience in the field of reproductive medicine. PCOS are a group of women who do not ovulate on their own. So they are typically having a problem which is called as anovulation or oligoovualtion, which means the ovulation happens erratically or the ovulation doesn't happen at all. So for this woman, IUI can be helpful, but then we should be achieving a successful ovulation. So for such women, generally for other women who is not having PCOS, we use simple tablets for the egg development to happen. For women with PCOS as well, we can use tablets, plus we may need to use gonnadotropin injections for the egg development. As long as we are able to achieve the egg development and the ovulation, IUI is not difficult in women with PCOS.